The moon's origin has been a subject of fascination and mystery for centuries. Ancient texts from various cultures provide intriguing insights into how our ancestors viewed the moon. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, believed that the moon was the left eye of the god Horus, which was torn out during a battle with Set. Similarly, the Greeks associated the moon with the goddess Selene, who drove her chariot across the night sky. In Hindu mythology, the moon is known as Chandra, a god who rides a chariot pulled by 10 white horses. These ancient stories, while symbolic, reflect the deep connection humans have always felt with the moon. They also hint at the possibility that our celestial companion might hold secrets yet to be discovered. Now let's delve deeper into this enigma and explore the theories that challenge our understanding of the moon. The moon has always fascinated humanity. Poets have written about it, scientists have studied it, and ancient cultures have worshipped it. But what if the moon isn't what it seems? Could it be an artificial satellite created by an ancient, advanced civilization? Let's explore this tantalizing possibility. The moon's origin has puzzled scientists for decades. From its unusual orbit to its unique composition, there are many mysteries that surround our lunar companion. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the moon. According to mainstream science, the moon was formed around 4.5 billion years ago, likely from the debris of a colossal collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body. The giant impact hypothesis is the most widely accepted theory. But there are details that don't quite add up. For instance, lunar rock samples show isotopic similarities to Earth's crust, which is puzzling. The moon's precise orbit and its size relative to Earth are highly unusual when compared to other moons in our solar system. Some scientists have suggested that these anomalies could imply an artificial origin. Historical records also show that ancient civilizations had detailed observations of the moon, adding to the mystery. One of the most controversial theories about the moon is the hollow moon theory. Proponents of this theory argue that the moon is not a solid body, but rather a hollow one, possibly even containing structures inside. During the Apollo 12 mission, NASA conducted seismic experiments by crashing the lunar module into the moon's surface. The moon rang like a bell for almost an hour, leading some to speculate that it might be hollow. Similar experiments during the Apollo 14 mission produced comparable results. Scientists analyzed the seismic data and found that the moon's crust is much less dense than Earth's. While the moon's seismic activity was indeed unusual, the ringing effect can be explained by its unique geological makeup. However, this hasn't stopped conspiracy theorists from claiming that the moon is a hollow, artificial structure. They argue that the moon's internal structure is too complex to be natural, suggesting an artificial origin. Interestingly, ancient texts and myths from various cultures also hint at the moon's mysterious origins. The Zulu people of South Africa, for instance, have legends that describe the moon as an egg that was hollowed out by 2 brothers and rolled across the sky. The Sumerians, one of the earliest civilizations, also have texts that speak of the moon as a crafted object placed in the sky by gods. While these stories are fascinating, they are often symbolic and should be interpreted within their cultural context. In Chinese mythology, the moon is associated with the goddess Chang'e, who is said to have flown to the moon and resides there. That said, it's intriguing how different cultures have myths suggesting the moon is more than just a natural satellite. Modern conspiracy theories take these ancient myths and scientific anomalies a step further. Some claim that the moon is an alien outpost, a giant spaceship, or even a monitoring station designed to observe Earth. If you look at the moon's orbital characteristics, its perfect synchronization with Earth, and the unexplained structures seen in photos, it all points to one thing: the moon is not a natural object. Similarly, the flat Earth theory has gained traction, suggesting a global cover-up. While these theories are captivating, it's essential to approach them with a critical mind. Most scientists agree that the evidence supporting the moon's artificial origin is circumstantial at best. Science relies on empirical evidence and repeatable experiments. While the moon's characteristics are unique, they can be explained through natural processes without invoking artificial construction. Extensive analysis of lunar samples shows no signs of artificial materials. Computer simulations support the theory of the moon forming from a giant impact, aligning with natural satellite formation. The moon remains one of the most enigmatic objects in our sky. Whether it's a natural satellite or something more, its mysteries continue to captivate us. Could there be more to the moon than meets the eye? Theories abound, from ancient myths to modern scientific hypotheses. There are also claims that the moon is a base for secret government operations, hidden from the public eye. Some conspiracy theorists suggest that the moon serves as a clandestine hub for advanced military projects and covert scientific experiments. These theories are often fueled by the lack of transparency surrounding space missions and the limited information released to the public. Could the moon be harboring secrets that are too sensitive for the world to know? It's a tantalizing thought that adds yet another layer of mystery to our celestial neighbor. As we delve deeper into these theories, the line between science fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred. Some believe that the moon's craters are actually landing sites for extraterrestrial vehicles. This theory posits that these craters serve as docking stations for alien spacecraft, hidden in plain sight. Advocates of this hypothesis argue that the moon's strategic location and its constant presence in our sky make it the perfect base for extraterrestrial observation. They suggest that the moon's surface anomalies and unexplained phenomena, such as transient lunar events, could be linked to these hidden activities. Could it be that the moon is not just a natural satellite, but a hub of extraterrestrial operations? As we continue to explore and study the moon, the possibility of uncovering such secrets adds another layer of intrigue to its already mysterious nature. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the moon, let's consider another intriguing theory. Some believe that the moon is not just hollow, but is, in fact, a massive alien spacecraft, camouflaged to look like a natural satellite. This theory suggests that the moon's unusual properties, such as its precise size and orbit, are deliberate design features by an advanced alien civilization. Proponents point to the moon's unique resonant properties, which some claim indicate an artificial structure beneath its surface. They argue that the moon's surface anomalies and unexplained phenomena, such as transient lunar events, are further evidence of its extraterrestrial origins. While mainstream science dismisses these ideas, the allure of the unknown keeps the theory alive in the minds of many. Could there be more to the moon than we've ever imagined? The truth may be out there, waiting for us to uncover it. We've received countless theories and comments. Let's take a moment to highlight some of the most intriguing ones. One viewer suggests that the moon could be a giant hologram, created to hide something much larger. They point to unusual reflections and anomalies in lunar photographs as evidence. Another theory proposes that the moon is actually a time capsule left by an ancient civilization, containing knowledge and technology far beyond our understanding. And then the belief that the moon's craters are not from impacts, but from mining operations carried out by extraterrestrial beings. These theories, while speculative, show just how curious and imaginative the human mind is. Keep those theories coming, and who knows, maybe one day we'll uncover the truth together. If you have your own theories or questions, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and exploring these mysteries together. The moon has always been a subject of speculation and wonder. Some believe that the moon is a fragment of Earth, broken off during a cataclysmic event. Others suggest that the moon is a captured asteroid, pulled into Earth's orbit by gravitational forces. There are even theories that the moon is an ancient spaceship, abandoned by an advanced civilization. While these theories may seem far-fetched, they highlight the enduring mystery and fascination surrounding our lunar companion. What do you think? Could there be more to the moon than meets the eye?